Independence Day in India is celebrated as national holiday every year on 15th of August when people remember the long event of independence of our nation from the British rule. India got independence on 15th August in 1947 after lots of movement of independence during which many freedom fighters sacrificed their lives. After independence, Jawaharlal Nehru became first Indian Prime Minister on 17th of August in 1947 who raised the national flag at Red Fort near Lahore Gate in Delhi. Students, teachers, parents and other people come together to celebrate the Independence Day by unfurling the national flag and singing national anthem. Our tricolor national flag is also hosted by the Indian Prime Minister in the national capital, New Delhi at Red Fort. After that, the salute is given by firing 21 guns and tricolor flower showering is held on the flag with helicopter. The tricolor of our flag represents saffron for courage and sacrifice, white for peace and truth, and green for faith and chivalry. There is an Ashok Chakra in the center of our flag which contains 24 spikes distributed evenly. At this special day we remember the great sacrifices of Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev, Rajguru, Gandhiji and other dared freedom fighters for their unforgettable contribution in the independence of India. Students give speech on the subjects of freedom fighters on the Independence Day celebration in schools. They also involve in parade, march past, singing patriotic songs, etc. Other people celebrate this day according to their own way, such as watching patriotic movies, going outside to home with family, meet with friends or participate in the events organized in public places. Thanks for watching.